and compel all European governments to keep the disarmament pledges and other pledges they make, that would be a very serious undertaking. During the Great War, France borrowed $2 billion from America when France's back was against the wall, and when she needed the money desperately for her very existence.
Even though in later years he gave it a formal name, and his Hilltop estate became one of the most.
I'll take the outdoor first. And I think the same goes for Mr. Hearst's 5 sons. He had 5 boys. They were all born in New York. So we weren't quite used to the 80, 90, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. That was first and second life. However, was very now 140 feet long, 50 feet wide, at the normal statue of 90 feet to Alfred. Is 3 feet or a meter deep here on the shower, 10 feet or 3 meters deep on the feet. Almost 345,000 gallons, just over.
上面还有一点水流的，它是3米深，我看看好像是没有。你能看到从这里到那边是一个斜坡，看是一个斜坡，对。这边深，这边浅。对。啊，最深的地方有3米是吧？我刚刚看了一下这个地方还是。
Taker of life. And that's what a couple of the symbolisms that you've seen. A with her hands on these center statues. One is open as the giver of life. One is closed as the taker. The body of a woman to be the giver of life. Head of a lion to be the taker. She's very bloodthirsty. Her job is to eat us who stop worshiping the Egyptian gods. But don't worry, I have nothing to worry about these days. Because a couple thousand years ago, Ra sent her down to earth to set an example to us mere mortals who would stop worshiping the Egyptian gods. She got a little too bloodthirsty and almost destroyed all of mankind. And so Ra, who's and combined it with pomegranate juice to give it that ruby red color like human blood. She walked by this lake thinking it was her favorite food, started laughing it up. She drank so much that she became so drunk that she fell asleep in the heaven and didn't sleep well for a couple of thousand years. Thus, she's come and sell their daily goods. The guest cottages represent the in-town homes of the mountain village. And if we were in an Italian village in the classical era, like Renaissance and Baroque periods, you'd have Roman ruins on the outskirts of town. And that's what the outdoor pool is supposed to emphasize, is that of sunken Roman ruins. So really, when we're looking at the estate